go back to. It still plays to this day. In any scenario, it plays classic records, whether it's soul or other countries. It's just classics. And I've learned that over the years, it's not about hits. The hit means nothing to me. It's a great excuse to throw a good party, but that's about it. Other than that, I want classics. Stuff that played for years. I must play some concerts for my fans. And, people that are interested in what I'm doing. Working with Rick was great. He was, we had to focus on songs. And as somebody that used to piece it together in the studio, I did it as a joke. Spend 14, 15 hours in the studio, doing it all myself with the player around me, trying to get the sounds I walked out of them, and performances. And we focused on all the songs with just the guitar. And once we had the songs where we agreed that we all thought they were great, then we handpicked the musicians. We went to the studio, we sat at the live band, on the computers, and played tracks, into the vocal booth, and we laid them down. And we laid 2 songs a day. The record was cut in 2 weeks. And did some vocal overdubs and small things like that. Other than that, I guess it's kind of funny to see the way that great records are made. Were made. At least the records I love. I can't say all of them, but at least the stuff I love, that's the way they were made. So,
Yeah, it didn't take 6 months making a record.
He didn't Pro Tools the drum track to death. So everything was perfect. The track can speed up and slow down a little bit. So it takes all the feel. There can be some dynamics in the song. You don't have to hit every single note. As long as the feel is in it, it's good. As long as the feel of it's good. Forget the other stuff. You don't need to zero out on a computer to see if the bass is on the kick drum. To see the sound. In my opinion, there's just too much that going on in music today. I really hope it comes back to great players. I'd love to hear some of these great soul singers out there, like Mary J. Blige, Alicia Keys, get together with some people who really focus on the songs and put a smoking band together. And I think they turn the world upside down with that. But, I'm trying to do what I can to influence the kids underneath me, whether it's my son or other people that are playing music. I've learned a lot over the years. I went through this whole...
Okay, that's what it looks like. But this is what it looks like in the sun. This is why I do metal flake. See, when you look at it this way, for some reason flake only sparkles one way. So at night, well, I'm sorry, in the daytime it's going to look jade green. That's what it looks like right now. That's metal flake. And actually, that is medium metal flake. That's not even large. That's why I like metal flake. Here's another thing that came out pretty good. You see like this skull? Now when you get on the other side of the light, it turns dark. Depends what angle you look at it. You kinda, then it gets light again. Just like that's a skull. And then you walk over here, it turns dark. I just got done spraying it. I have, like Pete told me, because of the pinstripe, you have to dust the whole truck. But he said a couple light coats. I'm going to tell you what I did. I did one really light coat, and I waited a good 20 minutes because I wanted the chemical to evaporate. And I wanted to make sure before I went any farther that it didn't react. And then I sprayed another, the second coat was medium. And then after that, I sprayed 4 heavy coats. And it wasn't flowing tonight. I actually had to switch guns. There is a lot of trash in it. I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of trash. But the good thing is, it's white trash. See that right there? At least it ain't black trash, because white trash, if it's still there, which it won't when I wet sand it, it will all go away. This is what gets me discouraged, because all the trash, and I try real hard. I've been out here since a little bit before, about 11:30. And next year, I'm gonna get a building, and I'm gonna set my spray booth up, and I'm not gonna run a business. I will spray some cars, but I wanna see what I can do without the Mojave Desert. That's what I call this place, is a Mojave Desert. Because it doesn't matter how much I water the floor down, or put filters in, or, you know, put plastic up, or I blew everything off, I tack ragged it down. It's almost impossible. I'm not saying you can't. It's almost impossible to do body work in the same area that you're going to paint in. Where did the dirt come from? You know, I would have to say that this is a lot of dirt. Now, Pete told me that maybe I'm wrong, okay? So if I'm misquoting Pete, then I apologize. But I believe he told me that there would be a lot of trash in it. I can't remember why. See, Pete tells me that I don't listen. It's not that I don't listen. A lot of times I don't comprehend because my brain is on fast forward. And no, I'm not motherfucking special, okay? Anybody can do this. You know, anybody can do it if you want to spend hours. You know, when I was spraying the bottom of the doors, well, yeah, see my pants? They're wet because I'm kneeling down in that. You know, to get the coverage underneath there. Yeah, I taped it all off. You know, am I happy? Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Am I bragging? No. And if you take it that way, then fuck off. Because I don't think it's wrong to be proud of something that a person spent all summer doing. Now, if you take it that way, whatever. You know, go watch something else. Go watch HGTV, football, basketball, whatever. You know, I don't brag. And I'm sick of a certain person saying that I'm a bragger, and, you know, he stirs the motherfucking stew. I like this person, but you know, son of a bitch. Ridicule is ridicule. If you want a friend, be a friend. No, I'm not the nicest motherfucker. I'm gonna stop. I actually put the tailgate on, and I did strip it, and it gouged down into the paint. So Pete did tell me that I might as well just go clear the truck because he knows that I'm in limited space. And you know, he's been down that road. Pete's a real wise man, don't get me wrong. I listen a lot to Pete, and I believe in my heart that this truck wouldn't be as nice as it was without Pete's advice. No, Pete wasn't over here painting a motherfucker, but knowledge is priceless. You know, it really is. And he helped me out a lot. Anyway, about the tailgate, I need to get this truck out of here in the next couple of days, and I'm gonna put it on the back pad because when I put the strip on it, it dug down into the bundle because I got a little aggressive. I think it could happen to anybody. Am I in a hurry? No, I ain't in a fucking hurry. Am I the most patient motherfucker out there? No. But anyway, I'm gonna bring the tailgate in here and I'm gonna start doing body work on it. And I gotta put the tunnel cover on and stuff. And here's a few things that I did. What I have is, excuse me, I had these things chrome plated. Then I have a little gold machine. You know, it cost me $100 and some. Does it work that great? Yes, but it doesn't last, so that's why I clear coated it. And here is actually, this is a copper one. The guy did it in copper for me. Why do I have them all? I don't know, because I like them. And this is one I tried because I was watching Pete's thing. It's gold leaf. It didn't turn out as well as I wanted. But you know, not everything does, like the tailgate. Not everything turns out. But you know what? Take it from me. Yesterday the tailgate was fucked up. So I just didn't give up. I didn't give up on, the project. Fucking I ain't gonna do it. Sometimes things don't go smooth. Does it still bother me about the tailgate? Yeah. Sure it does. That doesn't mean just give up. If you look right here, there's a lot of trash in there. A lot of trash. I actually, when I sprayed this, there's not no orange peel in it, but there was. I don't know why this was the hardest vehicle for me to paint, because I don't know if it was the color blender underneath it, but I wasn't doing anything different than I normally do. And it's almost like I had to push the clear out to get the flow. Anybody that knows about paint, I've never had that happen where I kept cranking it up, but I didn't go crazy because, I'm used to a certain setting. Actually, what it was is I had the fan pattern too wide. Why? I don't know. I even switched guns. But next couple of days, before I even pull this off, put the ground effects on and pull the paper off, and I'm gonna put a little bit of stereo in it. The way I am is once I start, I just keep doing more and more. Am I gonna put some killer fucking subwoofers in it? No, I'm not going to, but there's a few other things. I painted the brake calipers. I did it yesterday. And I did it, let me see if it can make a difference. It's kind of a spray bomb, but I put a silver chrome paint on first before I put that on. I usually do that, and I don't use automotive paint because, I don't know, hubs, unless you buy them brand new, they don't hold the paint. Anyway, I got to go. Peace.